discussed a method of multiplication that is called as crisscross method, in which we have to arrange the numbers and how to make those arrangements, that also I had made clear with you. Today, I will discuss another method which is easier, and using that we can multiply any number of digits easily. So this is called as the base method. Now, even in the last video, I have made the meaning of the term base clear to you. Now, when I say standard base, so standard base is a power of 10. So it's 0, 10, 100, 1000. All these are the standard bases. And sometimes we can use non-standard bases also. And obviously, I'll make it clear when to use standard base and when to use non-standard base. And if you are using non-standard base, how there will be a slight change in the method of calculation. So in today's video, we'll consider base 10 multiplication, and in which both the numbers we multiply are greater than the base. After this, then we can go to other standard bases like 100,000 and so on. But first, let us make the method clear by taking base 10 and some small numbers. Now, suppose I want to multiply 15 and 18. Now, as you can see here, both these numbers are very close to 10 and both the numbers are above 10. So, I will write 15 and 18, one below other. And in the second column, I will write how much each number is excess than the standard base. Now 15 is 5 more than the standard base and 18 is 8 more than the standard base. So first you multiply 5 and 8, that is 40. And as you can see here, if I add 18 and 5, 18 and 5 give me 23 and 15 and 8 also gives me 23. So I will write 23 here. Secondly, since we are using base 10 and 10 has only one zero, so I will keep only one digit here and remaining digit I will carry forward. So 23 plus 4 is 27. And hence 15 into 18 is 270. Let's just take one more problem here, one more example. Suppose I want to find out 18 square, and we know that 18 square is 324. But using this base method, let us see this product 18 into 18. So what I'll do is I'll write 18 and 18 one below other. Now since I'm considering base 10 and 18 is 8 more than the base 10, I'll write 8 and 8 here, multiply. 8 8s are 64. And 18 plus 8, that is 26. Now, since the base is 10, I'll keep only 4 here and carry forward 6. 26 plus 6 is 32. And hence 18 square is 324. So now, let us come to base 100. Keep it in mind that 100 has two zeros. So let us take one example here. Suppose I am multiplying 102 with 109. So again, write 102, 109. Now since the base is 100, 102 is 2 more than 100 and 109 is 9 more than 100. So on the second column on the right hand side, write 2 and 9, take the product. 2 nines are 18. And then as I already told you in the last problem, as you can see here, 109 plus 2 is 111, and even 102 plus 9 is 111. So write 111 here. And now since we are dealing with base 100 in the second cell or the second partition, there will be 2 digits. So I will keep 18 as it is. I will not carry forward anything and write this full number together. 11118. So 102 multiplied by 109 is 11118. That is 11,118. Now go to the next problem here. Suppose I want to find out the square of 115 using this particular method. Now again, I will take the base 100. So 115, right? 115, 115, one below other. Now 115, it's 15 excess than 100. So write 15 here and 15 here. So multiply 15 and 15, which gives you 225. And 115 plus 15, that is 130. Now since we are dealing with base 100, I will keep only 2 digits here. And the third digit I will carry forward. So 130 plus 2, that is 132. And hence 115 square is 13225. 13,225. Okay. So let us come to base 1000. So again, base 1000 has 3 zeros. So let us see a product. Suppose I want to I want to multiply 1014 with 1019. So as you have already done, and 1014 and 1019. Write one below other. So I will write 14 here and I will write 19 here. So multiply 14 with 19, which is 266. And as you can see here, either I add 1019 with 14 or 1014 with 19. I'm going to get 1033. And since I am dealing with base 1000, in the cell on the right side, there will be 3 digits. So there won't be any carry forward. So final answer will be 1033266. And you can very well check that. So this is how you can multiply two numbers which are greater than 1000 using base 1000. Let us take one more problem. Suppose I want to find out the square of 1014. Now, obviously, I have to take a base which is very close to the number. Otherwise, afterwards, as we'll see, we'll use some non-standard bases to do this multiplication. Now, today's class, I'm only taking the numbers which are very close to the base. So 1014 square I want to find out. So again, I will write 1014 and 1014. Now 1014 is 14 excess, then 1000. So in the second column, I will write 14 and multiply 14 with 14, that is 196. And as you can see here, 1014, if I add to 14, it is 1028. And again, since I'm dealing with the base 1000, I'm not going to carry forward anything. So 1014, the whole square is 1028196, which you can very well check. Okay, so this method is easier since you don't have to make any arrangement of the numbers. You have to just see which is the closest base to that particular number. So in the next video, we'll see how to multiply using this base method the numbers which are lower than the standard base. So as I already told you, when we do this method, you try to have your own numbers and try to multiply and verify your answers. Wish you are understanding this. Thank you, my friends. See you soon with another video.